Welcome to my channel. How to connect a printer to a wireless router, cableless setup. 1. Power on the printer. Turn on your printer and ensure it's in standby mode. 2. Verify Wi-Fi compatibility. Verify that your printer is compatible with wireless, Wi-Fi, connectivity. 3. Access printer settings. On the printer display, navigate to Settings Network Wi-Fi configuration. 4. Choose Wireless Setup Wizard. Select Wireless Setup Wizard or Wi-Fi setup. 5. Select your Wi-Fi network. Choose the name, SSID, of your home or office Wi-Fi router. 6. Input Wi-Fi password. Enter the accurate Wi-Fi password with caution. 7. Validate link. Hold on for the printer to link with the wireless router. 8. Set up printer drivers. Obtain and set up the printer drivers on your computer or laptop. 9. Include printer to device. Access devices and printers, Windows, or printers and scanners, Mac, and include the printer. 10. Printer sample page. Printer test page to verify that the wireless configuration was successful. That's it. Your printer is now successfully connected to the wireless router without any cables. Thanks for watching.